Portable camping chair with nylon mesh fabric panels for cooling ventilation, stylish blue color. Beverage-cooler pouch, hangs from armrest, holds up to 4 12-ounce cans. Built-in cup holder for holding an open beverage, side storage pocket for sunscreen, binoculars or personal items. Heavy-duty steel frame provides reliable strength. Compact, collapsible chair folds up to fit inside most car trunks. Dimensions: 34 by 20 by 36 inches. Carry bag with shoulder strap included for easy transport and storage. Amazon Basics folding mesh back outdoor camping chair with carrying bag, 34 by 20 by 36 inches, blue. Top reviews from the United States. Great chair. This chair is much stronger than I thought it would be. It's well made and so convenient. There is a place for everything. It would be perfect with an ottoman. I am happy with this purchase and will buy a second one.